Welcome back to Tech by the Pipe. Today we're checking out the MSI Katana GF66 15.6 gaming laptop. This comes with the Intel Core i7-12650H, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a NVIDIA RTX 3070 Ti. It also comes with 1 terabyte SSD. We're going to unbox it, we're going to check out the chassis, we're going to take a look at the internals, and then I'll have some initial thoughts at the end. Let's get into it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open this up here. And MSI, to me, always comes out with really good quality gaming laptops. Let's check out where we open this up at. And it looks like we got some. So it looks like we've got some foam here to hold that in. That's the laptop, and then we got some propaganda, and we have our power brick. And our power brick is 240 watt power brick. So we'll set that off to the side. We're going to go ahead and put this down here for just a minute. We'll unpack the power brick here. Actually, I believe this is a little bit skinnier than previous model. Looks good. Good cable. Alright, let's check out the propaganda here. We got our MSI quick guide, our MSI F3 hotkey recovery function, instructional, and then we have our MSI notebook limited warranty summary card, and then it looks like we have our this is how you get support card. All right. Now let's go ahead and open up the laptop here, the main event. Feels really nice. Good quality so far. We'll open that up. One finger. It's, hinges are okay. So did you see that? A little bit. I'm going to do it again with one finger. It's a little stiff, but there is also a little bit of wobble. Now, I don't know if that's going to translate when I'm working, typing on the keyboard, but we'll find out. Let's move the cloth here. Okay. All right, let's check out the top of the lid first. I really like the logo. It's kind of embossed there. It doesn't light up. The lid itself is very rigid, very little flex on the top. I'm going to open this up again. Like I said, very stiff hinges. And there is a little bit of a wobble there, but let's check out flex here. There is just a little bit of flex on the screen. All right. Let's go ahead and check out the keyboard deck here. Very rigid. Surprisingly so. I like that. Trackpad, very smooth. Good clicking action, good return. It stops right about there. Nope, just a little bit more, I guess. I guess it does click all the way to the top. Not bad. Okay. Typing feels a little bit shallow. and there is some definite flex on the keyboard. Numpad is really, really small. I'm not sure if I like that or not. I'd probably just get rid of it and space these out a little bit better. No, I don't like the numpad at all. Huh. Okay. Okay, we'll check out the ports here. We're going to start on the left-hand side. And we have the power port, some ventilation here, 2 USB-A ports, and then on the right-hand side, we have the headphone jack, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an Ethernet port. And then you have some exhaust out the back, and you have, I don't know if you can see that or not, there's some internals there, but I see some air intake here to keep this laptop cool while playing AAA games. We're going to weigh the laptop here. The laptop by itself is 5 pounds, 0.5 ounces power brick and cables. Once you add those, you're looking at around 6 pounds, 10.3 ounces. And it looks like you can't really see that on the screen. There you go. All right, we got the bottom plate off of the actual chassis here, and there are 12 screws, and one notable screw right here is smaller than the rest and goes in that particular hole right there. And then the 13th screw, the very last one, is underneath the factory seal sticker here, so be aware of that. The screw is still in there, but it's completely loosened. I just couldn't get it past the sticker. All right, we're going to go ahead and check out the bottom here. We got some rubber feet, keep this laptop off the table for better airflow, keeping this laptop cool while playing AAA games. You see the venting here, or the air intake, sorry, not venting. Let's go ahead and turn that over. Ooh, heat shield. All right, I like that. Lots of heat pipes. You got the 2 fans. The copper heat pipes here are the first things that you see over the GPU and CPU. You got the 1 terabyte SSD, and you have the swappable Wi-Fi card, and then you have the battery here, which I believe is capacity 52 watts. Okay, 2 downward facing speakers, and we'll take a look at the memory here. And do you have 2 DIMMs? I think you do. I think there's another one underneath there. We'll remove this carefully. And then, sure enough, there's the second one right there. We're going to go ahead and get a better look at this particular chip. This is the 8 gig, comes with 16 altogether. All right. We'll go ahead and put that back. It flips over. There we go. Lay that down. All right. I'm not sure what this is all about right here. It's just this empty piece right here. And it has these little towers, I'm guessing, so the bottom plate, there's no bend there when pushing down on it. After that, that's really it. All right, I'm going to put this back together and I'll have some final thoughts here. And also I'm going to go over a couple things that I did forget in the beginning of this particular video. That is the unboxing of the MSI GF66 gaming laptop. I like the look of this series a little bit better than the GE series. The GE series has these little, I don't know, ridges or I don't know, hills on the actual hinges. And I've complained about them ever since the GE series started doing that. I don't like them. I do like even the embossment on this particular laptop better than the GE series. A couple things I didn't mention: it has a camera. I think it's 720p. It also comes with a full HD IPS 144 Hz screen. We'll do some testing. on that as well, with some gaming, some synthetic benchmarking, and some real world benchmarking. And we'll bring that to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos from Tech by Pike, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. Helps the channel. Not only that, it gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. Until next time, we'll see you in the next one.